Hello friends, I am Nahian. I read in class 5. Today I am talking about a story. The story's name is Kylie's family. Kylie has a large family. Kylie lives with 4 people. Kylie's mom is an artist. She works at the art studio. She makes paintings for people's house. Kylie's dad is a heart doctor. Kylie's dad works at the hospital. Kylie's dad hospital. Kylie's dad helps people who are sick. Kylie have 2 brothers, Bobby and Daniel. Bobby is 10 years old. Daniel is 14 years old. Kylie also have 2 pets. Tommy is a white small cat. Dobby is a large black dog. Kylie loves her family very much. Thanks for watching my video.